Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add a simple portfolio in your Google Sites. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is portfolio. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's like up to you. And when you got it, click login. Here you're gonna be in applications. And in all, you just want to write in search portfolio. Now click here portfolio. Let's create a widget. Now you just like product photographer. You just choose which one you like, by the way. Which portfolio you like. Continue with the template. Now you just upload your photos or like from different template. Really simple, really easy. Then you're gonna see layout, project style. You can edit it as much as you want. Now let's just click save. Right there after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50, 5 million, go the basic, pro, or enterprise, or choose all packs. Now let's copy the code here. When we got the code, what you want to do is just click insert empt code and paste the code here and insert. And voila, I would just make it like large like this. Move it to the middle. And make it like this. So this is how you can simply add your portfolio. Then I would just add here text, then my portfolio. Got to go. Voila. See ya.